Alright folks, welcome back to the Don's channel. I am the Don Father and I'm about to do a reaction now to Sonic Boom's and Jet's best compilation, but before I start I'd like to dedicate this video to any subscribers, channel members, patrons, etc. Viewers, maybe people who haven't subscribed but actually like to watch the videos, who have served in the military both in the United States, Canada, Allied Forces and of course the UK. Just as a quick thank you for your support. And that's it. The link to the original video will be in the description section below, as with our Patreon account. If you'd like a personalised video request and shout out, please join there, or join the channel as a member and get your request through that way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and put the bell on so you do not miss any of our future uploads. Anyway, just a short video for a bit of fun and something different. No more talking then, let's go!
There it is.
Here it is. Oh, damn!
Disintegrate the train.
Wait. Eu não salute, bana. Vem aqui, né?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
That was absolutely sensational, and tell you the truth, my ears are actually ringing after watching that. The volume on the video was that high, but the sonic booms are absolutely spectacular, ferocious power. the speed of them jets, let me tell you, is frightening. I've actually had RAF tornadoes going over the top of me a couple of times. I've not actually, well, I don't remember seeing that sonic boom, the visual that you get there with the vapour and the moisture and all the rest of it, whatever creates that. People have explained it to me before, but I just can't remember how to explain it back. But when you see that, that noise is like a stomach in the mouth moment. It takes the breath out of you. It is sheer power. The jets are incredible. Some of them actually look like they were flying through UK terrain there as well. That's why I was taking a look to see roughly whereabout that might have been. But anyway, oh, spectacular. Look, let me tell you, actually in one of them where all civilians were standing and watching, it was an air show, but they're leaning over and they're looking and they don't see the jet coming, and all of a sudden it comes out of nowhere. I think in the video there's an old boy leaning over, doesn't hear or see it coming, and then bang, it's just in his view, and he obviously hears the sheer crack and noise of it as it goes past, and I think he actually jumps out of his skin, the old boy. I was kind of laughing at that there in the video. He just seems to get a fright. He doesn't know it's coming, bless him, but wow, that was brilliant. That was absolutely brilliant. Wow, fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that. I just wanted to do a little quick video for you, just for something in between reactions, and give it a quick dedication to all serving personnel within the military, armed forces, allied troops from around the world there at the UK, United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, all the countries involved, those who are serving and veterans out there as well. Just want a quick dedication to you to say thanks very much. And that is it. Don't forget, the link to the original video is in the description section below. And if you want to check out our Patreon or simply join the channel as a member and get your requests through for a personalised video request and shout out, please do so there. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and put the bell on. I've got a feeling I might do a couple more of the types of videos, sonic booms, because they're really enjoyable, really entertaining indeed. And I think other people like watching them as well. So thanks again, and that's everything. So I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.